Hello everyone, so today I got a monitor 24-inch Full HD from Kogan, Kogan.com, and I'm just gonna do an unboxing of this box. So I got it for around 190 New Zealand dollars. That's include shipping. I think without shipping it will cost around 170, so shipping costs like $20. And man, okay, just gotta be careful with this. So just flip this around. Oh no, sounds like I dropped something. Alright, we got the adapter for the monitor itself, and this is the stand, I believe. Some warranty card and some manuals. Alright, this is the stand, so quite simple. We also got even more cables. Alright, we got HDMI over here, and we got also a jack, 3.5, I believe that's 3.5mm jack, and we also got a power cable right over here. This is the front, I believe, so here you go. So this monitor is a curved monitor, 24-inch, so as you can see from this angle, I believe it shows a little bit better. So let's open this guy first. Alright, so here, oh my god. Alright, it's quite shiny and because it's new. So here is the monitor itself. So it felt quite uneasy to put it on a hard surface. So for the connection, we got HDMI, we got VGA, and we got power cable as well, power connection over there. So just gonna put it aside over here first. And let's see how do we assemble the stand. So alright, so you just slide it and turn it like that, and then that probably it. So that's how the motor is with the stand. It's quite firm. I'm not sure if this stand can tilt at a certain angle. It only can tilt like up and down, I think, and that's about it. Oh, I also forgot that it has some buttons over here, power buttons, menu, I don't know what is this, but like we got some buttons for in-motor configuration. So that's about it for Kogan monitor, 24-inch Full HD curved from Kogan. And this is all we got right here. Alright, hey everyone, so this is just an extension of the unboxing video. I just want to make sure that the motor is working perfectly. So you can see in comparison, compare my monitor with my laptop screen, the motor is huge. It is 24-inch after all, and my laptop is on 15-inch, and it is working perfectly. So let's play some Netflix. And let's play that one. Let's play whatever, right? And it also has some speaker. Not bad. So the viewing angle of this thing is not bad. So you can definitely see from like 170 degrees away. So you don't really have to be on the monitor itself, so you can still see it from the side monitor as well. If you can, from here, you can clearly see what's going on the screen, so that's quite good. Overall, quite happy with the monitor itself. It's huge, it's humongous, it's awesome for my work, and they're up to your productivity as well, because you know you have more workspace and you can do more work at the same time. So yeah, that's about it. That's about So what, Kogan 24-inch monitor, Full HD FreeSync curved. See you guys later.